Dr. Mufor Agustine is right here with me in the studios. Hello, doctor, and welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
So who is Dr. Mufor?
That's a very difficult question. I am Cameroonian, born engineer, working in Germany.
Born engineer.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, of course. It's my roots as Cameroonian,
Okay.
and that's why I'm here, even though I
Okay.
live in Germany, and I've been living there for 17 years now.
Okay.
Yes.
So, doctor, when you talk of born engineer, I'm interested in that. How do you fit into that?
Born in the sense that I'm Cameroonian born.
Okay, you're Cameroonian born.
Yes, that means I'm
Okay.
Cameroonian, an engineer trained in the West and working in the West.
Okay,
but
okay. Thanks for the
Cameroonian.
clarification, because when you talk, there's something there's a statement that engineers are born. So I was thinking that you will say engineers are born, not made. So what is your mission in the Catholic University Institute of Boya?
I have come into the institute, I call it a university, as a consultant for the School of Engineering,
Okay.
and possibly for the university.
Okay.
So there are a lot of things we have planned during my 1 week stay at the university. And the idea all is to see that this university become an elite institution of higher learning in Cameroon.
You say you're going to be working as a consultant for CUIB. So how is this going to help this institution, or how are you going to do that?
There are a lot of things that we have planned to do. The first thing is that we have to bring in ideas to realize the visions of this university. I will have to be teaching block courses.
Okay.
I will have to work with the dean directly, the acting dean of the School of Engineering, to look for partners in Europe, to create possibilities for faculty to go to Europe for research, for students to have exchange programs with other universities. And very important too is to build laboratories of the university.
When we talk of CUIB, we say the entrepreneurial university. We encourage students to do business while studying.
Yeah.
Have you had such experience before?
Of course, that is what made me what I am.
Okay.
Being able to do small businesses, carrying out other activities besides academics. I was able to sponsor myself in Germany because I lived as an entrepreneur
Wow.
on my own.
That's wonderful. And presently in Europe, you had one of the big institutions there. You call it the Airbus. How did you get to that level?
I don't head the Airbus, I head a laboratory,
Okay.
a parts laboratory within the Airbus group. Our own division is called Airbus Defense and Space. And I joined TASAT at the time after my PhD as a parts engineer, and I became the leader of a team 10 months later, a team that carries out technical analysis on electronic components for space applications. Then I later became leader of a group. So that's how I joined it. I applied for a job, and I was a suitable candidate.
You've been in CUIB for the past 1 week. On a scale of 100, where do you place this institution as an entrepreneurial university?
Honestly speaking, I know that it is still a big challenge at the moment to realize the initial vision of CUIB. But if I look at the programs, I look at the students, I see the talks, the lectures, and what we have been doing. I talk with the lecturers, I spoke with the deans and with faculty members. And from what I see, despite the challenges, or considering the challenges the school has at the moment, I think that 75% should be a good grade.
For a baby university,
Yes,
which started
yes,
just 4 years
yes.
back, 75% is a great lot. So what are your last words to the students of this institution?
Yes, so as I said, I told the students already, and I'm telling those who were not in my orientation talk, that the vision this school has is a very strong one, and that the administration is doing everything possible, not leaving any stone unturned, to see that the students get quality education. And I also I pledged my support to many students in the School of Engineering, that I'm ready to mentor some of them, prepare topics for defense, supervise them from out there, to show afterwards that there can be inventions coming from this place.
Of course, these students are going to make it in Cameroon in general and in CUIB in particular. Thank you so very much, Doctor, for being part of this program. Bye-bye. We are going to be back.